Hi-Ho Silver, and away we go with a new 2023 Ram 2500 Heavy Duty. Oh yeah, the big Ram grill on there, LED lights. We've got a 6.7-liter Cummins underneath the hood with a 6-speed automatic transmission. We've got those polished alloy wheels wrapped in Firestone all-terrains. And also over here, guess what? We've got premium cloth, power driver's seat. We have connectivity right here. Trailer brake controller, 6 auxiliary switches. That's right, we can add those extras and not void your factory warranty. 6 months of Sirius XM, big huge screen with nav, traditional gauge cluster, and also automatic pedals there for your feet to adjust those. Also premium Alpine stereo, in-floor storage, rear AC, USB hubs. Also, yeah, we do have that subwoofer for that Alpine. Oh yeah. In the back, guess what? We've got power in the back. Also 4 tie downs, including 4 cleats. And guess what? We're ready for a trailer. Yes, we are, with a new 2023 Ram 2500 LoneStar Heavy Duty 4x4 right here at Payne Rio Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.